Hello, my name is Francine Arroyo, and I'm an assistant professor at Fresno State University in the Department of Biology. I'm a microbiologist and an evolutionary biologist, and I study how bacteria evolve resistance and identify the consequences to those adaptations. So while bacteria might become so-called superbugs, they also have an Achilles heel. In other words, they have an evolutionary trade-off to other traits. I study those traits. For example, some cases, bacteria become actually more susceptible to viral infection through bacteriophage, which are viruses that only infect bacteria. The second area that I study is how these consequences affect biofilm formation, which are the ability for bacteria to adhere and attach to surfaces and form diverse communities. I study mostly a bacteria called Acinetobacter baumannii, which is a multi-drug resistant pathogenic bacteria that's only found in hospitals. Interestingly, we don't really know much about this bacteria outside of hospitals. In order to understand how this bacteria evolved resistance and the consequences it has to its original ecology, we need to explore outside of the genus and look at relatives to Acinetobacter baumannii. And that's where you come in. So one, I would like to expand our collections on Acinetobacter baumannii relatives. I would also like to increase our collections of viruses that infect these bacteria. So if you are studying bacteriophage in particular, please reach out. I'd love to hear from you. Two, I'd also like to increase our ability to study bacteria as a biofilm. And so if you study microfluidics or have some really interesting techniques for microscopy, please reach out. I would love to get your advice. And lastly, if my talk inspires you for some other outreach opportunities, please contact me, as I'm still exploring other avenues to learn more about this research and to gain a holistic view of how this bacteria evolves resistance, how it became a pathogen, and ultimately how we can stop it. Thank you.